How to pick your first camera for better photos? Go with a Canon Rebel and a really great plastic lens or a really good glass lens. Put them together and you're gonna be off to the races. Thank you for checking out this video. That's it for today. Hit that like button, subscribe to never miss a shot from YeagerShots.com. JK. Let's dig a little bit deeper into it. A couple of parameters for today. We're gonna focus on just stills for these cameras. Video features mean absolutely nothing, and keeping the price around the $500 mark.
I don't like
is this idea that the entry-level beginner cameras all over $1,000, which just simply is preposterous, pardon my Southern French. This is the Canon Rebel T4i. I've got a grip on here for longer battery life. And when paired with the 85mm Bauer lens, which is basically a Samyang and Rokinon lens, really reinvigorated my photography, along with finding out the power of the tone curve to get a more filmic look, hence the YeagerShots film strip on the shirt. I like film. But I am suggesting APS-C older Canon Rebel cameras. So why Canon Rebels? It's just way easier to give people an exact model or brand name to look for when they're looking for their first camera. There's just way too many options. Second, those Canon colors are legit. Now, to be honest, I really care about the Canon colors more in video because on the photo editing side, you're gonna manipulate it so much, who cares? But those Canon colors are really, really good, and they're really, really good in their cheaper APS-C cameras, going all the way back to the Canon Rebel T2. There's so many who made lenses for the EFS mount, which is also gonna fit EF full-size lenses, which is exactly what this 85mm lens is. It's a full-frame lens, so that gives you a little bit of a longer distance when putting it on a crop sensor camera, but still physically 85mm. The other thing about the entire Canon Rebel brand, there's so many in the marketplace. So that means you can get some great discounts on used gear. You can replace stuff a whole lot easier should something break down on you. And you definitely don't have to go with the exact same lens and camera combo. If you want to shoot landscapes, you're definitely going to want to go with something wider to put onto your camera. But there's a newer option, the Canon Rebel T100, which is in the $300 range, and that can be found inside of a lot of Walmarts, even in small town, rural America. And pair that with a lens that you can find on eBay, Amazon from some third-party sellers, or maybe you're aware where a camera shop might be. Definitely go there and support a local business. This probably goes without saying, but just take your time and read those reviews carefully before buying anything. Check out return policies if there is any. Really, if possible to do it in person, would be the best way to really gauge getting used gear, but definitely understand that's not always practical. Shoot your cameras, you get your amazing photos on your camera, but wait, you gotta edit these. You were gonna edit these photos, right? For your phone and tablet, you've got choices from Snapseed, Adobe Photoshop Express, Vesco, Lightroom Mobile, Slur, Canva, Photopea, which works in a browser or on your device. For your computer or desktop, GIMP, GNU, the image manipulation program, Photopea, Darktable, Paint.net, and Raw Therapy. All names that I know have been around for quite a while. All apps that'll get you editing your photos without requiring a significant investment. And don't worry about if you're using a manual lens. I still use a manual lens. You can zoom in on the back of your camera to see if everything is in focus. I know some of the older ones don't have focus peaking like we do today, but it can be accomplished. I don't know what I think about so many trends or blurry photos. So. So you're on over to YeagerShots.com to get some channel themed apparel. And if you like this video, hit that like button, let me know, leave a comment. Also comment, what exactly are some of your recommendations for people wanting their first fully dedicated camera? Let me know, throw that on down there into the comment section. And subscribe to never miss a shot from YeagerShots.com.